Hero Girl 338, otherwise known as Diane. I'm doing a quick recipe and I've already made it. These are meatballs, and what I'm going to do is they're cooling down right now, and I'm going to put them in the freezer. So when I want meatballs, I have to add it to a recipe. They're already made and they're frozen. I don't really like to get the stuff that's at Costco, BJ's, the stuff that's in the bags. You don't know what they're putting in there. This, I know what's in it. It's grass-fed chopped meat, sausage, parsley. I chopped up and ground up a little bit of onions and sun-dried tomatoes. And I added some salt and pepper. And that's it. I didn't cook my onions. I didn't cook saute the sun-dried tomatoes. You can see one sticking out over there. I just mixed it up. I put 3 tablespoons of grated cheese, Pecorino Romano cheese, and about 3 eggs. And, I made my meatballs. And when you make meatballs, to keep the meat together without it cracking on you, dip your hand in some warm water as you're patting the meatball. The next time I'll show you, the process of how to do it. But this is an easy, quick recipe. You can plan this and just put it in your freezer. When you need it, you have meatballs already ready. And I would use this in my chicken soup if I'm making some kind of soups that require me to have meatballs. Or you can put them in your sauce. Right now I'm making some sauce, and I don't want it to burn. I have it on very low. And I'm using my Scafani tomatoes. And I always talk to you guys about this Scafani tomatoes. They have to be in the metal can. See, it's metal. There's no tag on it. Don't get the one that has the paper. I don't trust it. These are good tomatoes. These are high quality tomatoes. This and Muir Glen I recommend. And I also recommend Cento organic tomatoes. The other ones, I don't know. I don't trust them. These are good tomatoes. And when I do my sauce, I usually put a little bit of baking soda in it just to kill the acidity. These you don't have to put too much baking soda in, just like a little bit, and it takes out that acidity. All right, guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please post them below, and please subscribe to my channel because I always have new videos coming in. All right, thank you guys. Bye.